Celebrate amore this Valentine's Day with our Marry Me chicken pasta. Rich, creamy and full of irresistible Italian flavor. Here's how to make it. In a bowl, add the smoked paprika, onion powder, Napolina chili and Sundried tomato flavored olive oil, oregano, and season with salt and pepper to taste. Then mix well. Next, brush the chicken breast liberally with the mixture. Then cook in a pan on all sides until cooked through, then set aside. Deglaze with a splash of Prosecco, then add in the onion, remaining oregano, and sun-dried tomatoes. Then cook for a few minutes until soft and aromatic. Add in the chicken stock, mascarpone, and the Napolina herbs and garlic flavor booster, followed by the basil and Parmigiano Reggiano. Then mix well until the sauce is thick and creamy. Toss in the cooked Napolina Rigatoni, followed by a ladle of pasta water, then fold together, coating all of the pasta in the rich tomato sauce. Finish with tender chicken, a sprinkle of Parmigiano Reggiano, and fragrant basil. Then add a glass of Prosecco and share a moment of Italian romance. Buonissimo!